guys, I'm here with a tag video. I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos about this $20 makeup tag that's going on, and I figured it was such a fun tag to do. Nobody really tagged me, but I figured I might as well go ahead and do the tag. So basically the challenge is, if you only had $20 to spend on makeup, like how would you be able to kind of make up your own face with just $20? So with how I did mine was basically a lot of the products I used are e.l.f. since they are $1. So I hope you guys do this, and I tag everyone who wants to do this tag. I don't really want to single out a single individual because I feel like it's kind of not fair. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video and keep on watching.
So first I'm going to start with this e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer. I'm going to use this to conceal my under eye circles, and I'm also going to use this as a foundation semi-concealer all over my face, since I didn't really allocate money for foundation. So I'm just going to use this all over my face, and as you can see, this is a very lightweight coverage, so you can still see a lot of my scarring, but for the purpose of this video we're just going to stick to the budget and just stick with the concealer. Since I'm very oily, I allocated money to get a powder, so I'm just using the puff that comes with the powder. I'm just setting all that concealer all over my face with a puff. Your eyebrows frame your face, so I didn't want to leave this step out, so I just got an NYC eyeliner brow pencil and I just brushed this along my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use a $1 e.l.f. spoolie just to brush it out. The eye look I'm going for this video is pretty neutral. I used the e.l.f. Quad in Butternut, which has a lot of neutral colors, and using a blending brush, which is only $1, so it's $2 for both of those products. And I just basically brushed the lightest color as an all over color and a highlight, and I'm basically using the bronzy color as a contour, and then the darkest shade just to intensify the color on the outer V. I wanted this look to be somewhat different, so I used a plum eyeliner instead of a black eyeliner just to make the neutral colors pop in the eyes. next step is to curl your eyelashes and apply mascara. The eyelash curler I'm currently using is my very original e.l.f. eyelash curler, which I've had for years and years since I've started makeup, and I know they've already come out with the different shaped ones. And the only expensive thing I'm using for the rest of the look is my CoverGirl Lash Blast, since that's the only main item that I wouldn't go without. Finish the rest of the look, I'm just using this e.l.f. lipstick all over my lips, and I'm using this as a blush as well, since I didn't apply blush in the beginning, since I was waiting for it to double task the lipstick at the very end. That pretty much concludes this look. I hope you guys do this tag as well, since it was a lot of fun to do, and thank you guys for watching.